Hello. A few of you have asked me how can you make your models look even better in Blender. So today I'm going to talk about materials in Blender, but first I will cover the viewport shadings. We have the wireframe mode, the solid mode, which is the Blender default, the material mode, and finally the rendered mode. This one is the most GPU taxing, but it also most accurately represents the final result if you're going to render. Otherwise, we'll stay in material preview mode. Next, go to Edit, Preferences, go to Add-ons and search for material. Make sure both these are ticked. Save your preferences and close this window. Next, in Shading tab, it should look like this. Make sure you are in material mode. And let's add a bone-like material to these two objects. Press New. In Material VX, you should be able to open sample materials. Then I'll go for lemon, apply to selected. Okay, it doesn't look that nice, but I will change this color. Okay, better. And do not be afraid to play with these options here, because they usually do something. Anyway, when you are pleased, let's rename it as bone. And my advice is to go and add this material to a library. Make your own library and just add it there. In this way you'll have it later even in a different Blender file. Okay, so this is about it. You can even go further and design two material for same object, but this is the hard way, because you'll have to select vertices or faces to be able to do that. Okay, thank you. Have fun.